everybody. This is Maggie again from the Muskoka Lakes Public Library, and today on this installment of the Make, Teach, Do series, I'm going to do the granola recipe that we use here at our house. So first you'll want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees and get a sheet pan ready with some parchment paper on it to spread the mixture on. What we have here is 4 cups of oats. You can use either large flake or quick. We like the texture of quick oats better. And here is your binding agent. That is a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup, whichever you have more of, and 1/4 cup of oil. And you'll want to put that onto the oven until all the sugar is dissolved. And that's what you're going to pour over your oatmeal here. And that's just the basics. You've also got whatever mixtures you want to add into it. We have some nuts, some candied ginger, a little bit of dates, sesame seeds, pepitas, and sunflower seeds. And you want a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So you'll mix all this stuff together, and then you will spread it out on your parchment paper. You'll put it into the oven for 15-minute intervals, and after each 15-minute interval, you'll want to shuffle around the layout of the oatmeal. So for each 15 minutes, you'll want to take the pan out and redistribute your mixture. And you will do that for an hour, and then your granola is ready to go. Hope you enjoy.